Hello! You know that when you move to another place, naadyo mga challenges nga imuhang ma-face sa imuhang kinabuhi. Ang challenge na ko karon is finding a job. I have been here for 3 weeks na, but it's very hard for me to look for a job. I have sent a lot of applications sa Indeed.com or any other job sites, pero wala jud nag-reply. Ay nag-reply, but unfortunately it doesn't fit to my schedule. So here I have to find a solution for my challenge, for my problem. So we came here to Vancouver Public Library. Ang solution nga ako ang nauna-unaan is to come to the public library and ask and seek for help. So I have to make my resume strong. Kana bitawng inigbasa nila, uy, wow, dawato na dahil ako ni kinana. In other words, dapat ako siyang i-format ako ang resume in Canadian way. Yes, din hindi ay naa sila yung mga Canadian way. Sa sa Philippines, uso kaay ng resume nga na ay picture. Din hindi ay, kay wala, gusto pa jud nila, 1 page lang. And also here di ay, your resume should be straightforward. Dapat wala na yung paligoy-ligoy. In Canada, they said, yes, daghan kaayog work din basta di lang ka mamili, naaragig kay work. Yes, daghan kaayog work. But if your resume is not strong enough, naagi chance nga dili ka madawat. Kay here in this world, very competitive. Dapat imuhang resume competitive pod. And for me, I want to look for a job na related sa kung ang nag-graduatean or bookkeeping, assistant bookkeeper. But my problem is, it's been 10 years nga wala ko'y bookkeeping experience. Kaya I have been teaching math in Thailand for 10 years. So, lisod jud kaayo i-prove nga I have knowledge, I still have knowledge in bookkeeping. But as everyone said, or most of the people who are successful said, start from the bottom. So we are going to start from the bottom and hope you are going to be with me in this journey. I'm going to share my life, my study life with you and my life here in Canada. So when you come here, don't forget or don't hesitate to come to the public library. Kay very accommodating ilahang mga librarians, and also they gave me a lot of information. Very timely gani ako ang pag-anhi dinhi sa library kay ilaha kong giingnan nga the next day naa daw mga technicians or resume technicians nga mag-help magpa-strong sa ako ang resume. So the next day wala na nako gibilin si Kyla and Kuya Harvey. So we all went there together and we were able to get help. Tanawa na one-on-one na agyo makikistorya, maki-entertain sa imuha, and they will help you with your resume problem, or ang katong nag-help sa ko ani ana siya. I'm not gonna help you, I'm going to support you. I hope you learned some information from me today, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.